Hello there. This is going to be a short one. It's been a while since I've uploaded here, but I'll have you know, I'm still working on the storm in my head. You can check out the older devlogs if you want to learn more. Although, I'll give you a warning. The old devlogs are bad, which is sort of why I'm making this little introduction video. The older devlogs lacked production and were mostly improvised, without even a script, which means they were all over the place and had terrible jokes.
So, in case you're stupid and you haven't figured out what its frame is, I want you to look very closely at it.
I have prepared quite a bit of videos that I'm sure you'll love to see. These will be more structured and emphasize on the technicals of my journey while finishing the game. That being the systems I create or my thought process when taking design decisions. But first, here's a quick and oversimplified summary of the storm in my head. It's a game set in the weird and mysterious dreams of a young teenager. You'll get to live these dreams at night and write about them in your diary in the morning. The game gets much deeper than that, but no spoilers. In the next video, I'll be talking about the making of a small demo for the game, which you'll be able to play once I finish it. Also, you'll get to see me descend into madness attempting to finish the damn demo. Oh, and I'll be taking part in the
Indie Tales
game jam, which should start
yesterday.
I'll be trying to make either a raycaster with no engines, which I already have a small demo of,
Amogus.
I'll maybe upload a small devlog documenting how I made what I will make, and urging you to go and try it out. Which is a good segue to ask you to go try out some of my previous jam games, if you want to. They're free, and bad. I'll leave a link to my itch.io page in the description, so you can try them out. Alright, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll stick around by subscribing and liking, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.